guy broke into an abandoned tourist park in Vietnam just to see some birds.
Is this legal?
We buy the ticket.
Oh, okay.
Believing we had a ticket, it was straight into birding.
It's quite nice.
But this guy seemed to have a problem.
Is this guy gonna help us look for birds?
No. Asking for a ticket.
Do we have a ticket?
Have to buy it. Waiting for the ticket.
So we did just break in.
Yeah.
Criminal offense in a foreign country aside, we continued to explore. And this place was creepy.
Oh, no. I almost walked through that.
What was once a sculpture garden built for tourists was now an overgrown, forgotten sanctuary,
I've never seen a room with all the walls gone except for the window.
visited only by the occasional birder.
Oh, he's gonna land, he's gonna land.
Still feeling a little uneasy, our guide took us to a secret location.
So where we're heading now, way?
Temple of the God.
Sure.
Let's go. Get some block. Some people say if you hug that, you can get energy.
I'm good.
We reached the temple. And it actually seemed to be worth our time.
Oh, yes.